Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to build an advanced workflow in Monday.com to automate tasks, approvals, and team collaboration, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Plan your workflow first. Before building anything, define your process. For example, task created to, assigned to, in progress, to review, to approved, to completed. Knowing each step helps you design the right automation. Step 2, set up the right columns. Create essential columns like status, people, date, priority, and dependency. These columns will act as triggers for automations. Step 3, use status-based automations. Go to automations and create rules like when status changes to in progress implies assign task to team member. This keeps work moving automatically. Step 4, add approval workflows. Use status columns for review stages. For example, when status changes to review to notify manager. When manager sets status to approved to move item to completed group. Step 5, use dependencies. Add a dependency column so tasks can't start until others finish. This prevents workflow errors. Step 6, connect integrations. Link Monday.com with Slack, Gmail, or other tools. For example, when item is created, arrow, send Slack notification. Step 7, use conditional automations. Create smarter rules like triggering actions only when priority equals high. This reduces unnecessary automation usage. Step 8, monitor and optimize. Check the automation activity log regularly to see if workflows fail or trigger too often. Adjust rules for better efficiency. Advanced workflows combine status changes, approvals, dependencies, and integrations to create a powerful system that runs with minimal manual effort. Follow these steps and you'll have a professional automated workflow running smoothly in Monday.com. See you in the next guide.